Video of the psycho cat. If you drop that thing in between the doors, she caught a squirrel and she wants to bring it in.
And she's not gonna.
Don't you dare drop it down there. Get down. Kitty. Get down. Get down.
Just ignore her. Turn the light out over there. She doesn't know where. Did she just almost fall?
Yeah.
Just keep it locked. Turn the light out over there. Call Will and tell him to come in the front door. I'm not dealing with this. Psycho cat.
Poor squirrel.